Good morning, class. Welcome to day one of your narrative art project. Today's a very important day, as any first day of a unit is. We're going to learn all the lesson vocabulary, all the expectations of the lesson, and also look at a bunch of examples to help brainstorm our ideas as we move forward and plan our artwork. All right, with that said, your learning goal is to analyze how artists visually communicate their personal experiences, events, memories, and values through their illustrations. So basically, how do artists use their drawings, their illustrations to communicate those memories, those stories? Your central question is, how do artists communicate their experiences, memories, and values visually? So over the next couple days, by the end of the project, you should understand how to answer that question. We're going to be discussing that in today's PowerPoint, and we'll discuss it further tomorrow and in the days to come. Your vocabulary word today is narrative art. You're going to learn all the vocabulary, but that's the vocab you're going to answer for your essential question. All right, so your task list below, you are first going to watch the short video, What is Narrative Art? I think it's only like 2, 3 minutes long, maybe even less. So just watch that real quick, just a brief introduction to the lesson and just the idea of what narrative art is. Then watch the narrative art PowerPoint. That is the slideshow where I narrate and walk you through all the lesson vocab and all the follow-up questions, even discuss lesson examples and some ideas to think about as you brainstorm your project. So once you're done watching both videos, just complete your first entrance ticket for the unit by answering the following questions. What is narrative art? And what is the narrative behind Jacob Lawrence's The Shoemaker? So in the video, I'll know if you watch the video by your answer, because in the video I discuss the narrative behind it and what Jacob Lawrence, the artist, what he was intending to show in that artwork. So once you watch the videos, you're doing your entrance ticket. Lastly, you're just going to submit a sketch that shows your the brainstorming, the beginning phases of your project. So to do this, you'll first think of a moment or a memory that had an impact on you, and you're going to draw that in your artwork, and then also explain what that narrative is in your submission. So when you attach your image, just under the comments, just say this is a drawing of a time that, whatever your memory is. So just use a sketch paper, pencil, and eraser for your materials today. It's a very easy day. Just make sure you take it all in and you choose that memory or a personal value to illustrate in your art, and just kind of show me your ideas as we move forward. All right, I look forward to seeing your guys, your creations and your ideas, and thank you in advance for sharing these memories and events with me. All right, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I am always here to help. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing those artworks. Okay, bye everyone.